So, ladies and gentlemen, this is unlimited arbitrage trading on Eversend. I'll be showing you how you can do this. I buy dollar at the cheapest rate, that is bank rate, and I sell it to the higher rates. Look at all my transactions. Of course, it really work. You can make a payment and make higher profits. As you can see here beside that, you can even add more than ATM, different ATM. You can add your sisters, you can add your friend. There's no limitation on any ATM you can add to perform any transaction. And all in today's video, I will be showing you how you can do this successfully. Alright, let's begin. This is unlimited arbitrage trading on Eversend. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So right now, I'm just going to my Eversend again, and I'll enter my PIN. And look at this, my transaction I'm doing on Eversend. I have successfully transaction. I buy at a cost of lower rate and sell it to the market rate. So I'm just doing this video in a review. Please check the link in the video description to check out our previous video. Please, if you want to sign up to verify your account, I highly recommended you to check out our previous video. So I just want to show you the review on this arbitrage unlimited trading on Eversend and how I perform my transaction. Look at this carefully. So if you want to add, for example, if you want to add a credit card to buy transaction, on their main dashboard you'll see USDT wallet, let me say USDT account. Tap on add and tap on add by credit debit. Don't tap on Pluta Web. Then you can add different ATM or limited ATM card if you have. As you can see here, you may select any amount. For example, when I select 100 USD, and it will cost me 3 as a charge. Enter my details and that will be top up successfully. Look at this carefully. So as I said, this is unlimited. I highly recommend it. If you have already started arbitrage, you have to use this Eversend because you can easily add more different ATM. Even if the ATM is not your own, you can use that ATM. And as you can see here, when it comes to resolve something delay issue, so which I will show you in the next step how you can even fix this. So it may be when you add your debit card, you may contact an issue. You may have an issue on Eversend. For example, something you cannot top up or something like that. So there's some setting I'm going to show you how you can easily set up this issue. So, and as I say, I'm saying again, if you want to full tutorial how you can verify your account and Eversend, check link in the video description, you will see it. As you can see here, for example, if I want to add my other ATM card, I will see a red icon, which means I will not be able to top up ATM or top up from my ATM. So all you need to do to contact a health center, to contact them and send them card verification issue, and they will reply you immediately and they will verify your card and you can top up unlimited using arbitrage. So, and also the another tips I want to show you right now is on arbitrage is like to find more ATM. It doesn't matter it is your own. No, you can use your parents, you can use your family's parents ATM. As much as you have different ATM, you can use an Eversend to check it. And as you can see here, when I come to problem, Eversend right now is pending transaction if I have a Nigeria, pending item, pending processing bank. Okay, on Eversend they have a problem, okay, an issue while transparent to bank account in Nigeria and Uganda and Ghana and Rwanda, and also pending processing on mobile top up if you want to tap up on my mobile if you have some error, and these Eversends are willing to fix the problem as much as they get back. So whenever issue you see here on Eversend, all you need to do to be patient and that will be resolved. And if you want that to be resolved quickly, I highly recommend it to sign up their email list so that by the time they release new update or they have found new issue, you'll be the first one to get notice and see the alert about the issue. Look at this carefully. So on Eversend, you need to be patient about whatever thing you are seeing because you may delay while transferring, while adding card, whatever thing. The site is running down, it's not working, it's working slowly. But by the time you be patient and you subscribe to this email list on Eversend, you will be fixing any problem that occur on this app and you can get unlimited. So all you need to do to be patient and do with it. As you can see here, I have subscribed to mailing list. All I need to verify my email address, and by the time any problem on Eversend occur, I'll be the first one to get notice. Look at this. All you need to do to verify your email, a link will be sent into your email address and just tap it to verify. So whatever suspicious activity may be delay in reply, delay in payment, delivery payment delaying, and also top up airtime or sending payment or adding card verification, you will be noticed when this happens, as you can see here. So all you need to do to be patient, and Eversend you can get unlimited. Thank you so much.